Many mobile users start noticing, usually, after an OS update, a security policy that restricts the use of camera messages while launching the camera. The issue is mainly reported on Samsung mobiles. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue mentioned above, so just follow through with the guidelines provided. Method 1. Restart the phone without SIM and SD card. Power off the phone and remove the SIM SD card from the phone. Now put the phone on charging and let it fully charge. Once fully charged, power on the phone without SIM SD card and check if the camera is working fine. If not, check if powering off the phone, only reinserting the SIM, not the SD card, and powering on the phone solves the problem. Method 2. Update the OS of the phone to the latest build. Incompatibility between the outdated phone's OS and other modules may cause the camera's security issue at hand. In this context, updating the phone's OS to the latest build may solve the camera issue. Method 3. Clear the cache and data of the camera and phone app. Launch the phone settings and open Applications, Apps, or Application Manager. Now scroll down and select the camera app. Then tap on the Force Stop button to force stop the camera and afterward, confirm to stop the camera app. Now open Storage and tap on the camera's Clear Cache button. Then tap on the Clear Data button of the camera app and afterward, confirm to clear the camera's app data. Then, relaunch the camera app and check if it is clear of the security policy error. If that did not work, clear the cache data of camera and open Settings, Apps, Camera. Now disable the camera and restart your phone. Upon restart, enable the camera and check if the security policy issue is resolved. If the issue persists, check if clearing the cache and data of the phone app solves the problem. Method 4. Clear the cache and data of the device security. Open the phone settings and tap on 3 vertical ellipses near the top right or bottom of the screen. Now select Show System and scroll down till the device security is found. Then, open Device Security and open its storage. Now tap on the Clear Cache button of the device security and then tap on Clear Data. Now confirm to clear the data of the device security and afterward, check if the camera is working fine. Method 5. Disable the camera app in the Secure Wi-Fi feature. Launch the phone settings and open Applications, Apps, or Application Manager. Now scroll down and select the Secure Wi-Fi app. Next, select Secure Wi-Fi settings. Select Protected Apps, then uncheck the camera or camera-related apps and then restart your phone. Upon restart, check if the camera is clear of the security policy error. Method 6. Enable or disable the phone's sensors. Swipe down or up on the phone screen to open the Quick Settings menu and check if the Sensors Off option is shown. If so, check if disabling or enabling sensors off solves the camera problem. For some phone models, a user might have to rearrange the button order of the Quick Settings menu to enable viewing of sensors off. If the Sensors option is not shown in the Quick Settings menu, enable the Developer options on the phone and launch the phone settings. Now select Developer options and open Quick Settings Developer tiles. Then enable the Sensors Off option and restart your phone. Upon restart, check if disabling or enabling sensors off. Repeat steps 1 and 2 solves the problem. Method 7. Reset camera settings to default. Launch the camera application and open its settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap on Reset Settings. Then confirm to reset the camera settings and afterward, relaunch the camera to check if the security policy problem is solved. Method 8. Uninstall the conflicting third-party app. Launch the phone settings and open biometrics and security. Then select other security settings and open device admin apps. Now check if any of these apps is causing the issue. The following are reported by users to cause the camera security issue: Microsoft Authenticator app, Nikon SnapBridge app, Camera Guide. If any of these apps are present on the phone, check if unlinking or relinking the camera in the app's settings solves the problem. If not, check if clearing the cache and data of the problematic app, like SnapBridge, solves the problem. If the issue persists, check if uninstalling these apps one by one till the conflicting one is found solves the problem. If that did not trick, check if uninstalling the phone's apps in the reverse installation order till the problematic one is found solves the problem. If the issue is still there, check if installing another camera app on the phone solves the problem. Method 9. Test the phone's camera in safe mode. Hold the phone's power button and when the power menu appears, hold the power icon till the safe mode pop-up is shown. Then confirm to restart the phone in the safe mode, and once in the safe mode, you may notice safe mode written on a corner of the phone screen. Check if the camera is working fine. Method 10. Reset phone to factory defaults. If the above did not work, then a user may have been left with no other option but to perform a factory reset of the phone. If none of the above did the trick for you, check if the phone is a corporate device. If so, then contact the IT department of the corporate organization to check if the issue can be resolved. If the device is not a corporate device but was purchased as a used device, then check if it has an application starting with MDM, Mobile Device Management. If so, you may contact the reseller to remove the MDM application. Keep in mind many corporations use MDM applications to control the user's access to different device features. If an MDM application is present on the phone and the reseller cannot be contacted, then you may root the device, at your own risk, and check if deleting the files in the EFS security directory, you may use Root Explorer, solves the problem.